I finally got some of the bunch of balloons, reusable water balloons. They've been testing them out. Are they working good, Manny?
Yeah.
I see a Cherokee purple turning down there. See it? We're gonna have to water them today. I don't think it's gonna rain. I see the first habanero.
Jonas.
No, that one's Daddy's. It's popsicle time. The actual first day of summer, I believe, was June the 20th or the 22nd. So it's officially here and the sun found out about it. I'm not complaining. I told y'all before summer even started, I was not gonna complain about it being hot because I was so tired of the cold, and I'm not complaining. It's definitely summertime. So we've been out there playing with those little water balloons. Those things are really neat and they work good and they don't make a mess. Kids love water balloons, but then they make a huge mess in your yard because there's little popped water balloons everywhere. So those are perfect if you want to have a water balloon fight, don't want the mess. And then you can reuse them over and over again. They close magnetically. They're still outside, but they just have like a magnetic closure. And this is our first time having them, so I don't know how long they last. Like, I don't know if eventually they stop wanting to close together good or something. If y'all have used them, let us know. So far, the kids are loving them. So we're back inside now. I cleaned up real quick because we went out there doing all that and had popsicle time, and it was a mess in here. So I got everything straightened up, got me some lime water. Now we're ready to make supper. I'm gonna make a Texas caviar. So it's kind of like cowboy caviar, just a little bit different. And it may be like the way some people call cowboy caviar, but it's not the way we've made cowboy caviar before. We're making it just a little bit different. This one's called Texas caviar. We're gonna put avocado in it, white corn instead of yellow corn. I'm making some homemade ranch dressing to go with our chicken too, so I've got that out. We're using fire roasted diced tomatoes with green chilies. These aren't any hotter than regular diced tomatoes with green chilies. It's just that they're fire roasted, so they have, you know, the charred look on the tomatoes. We've got cilantro and a red bell pepper, lime. I put a few slices of this lime in my water, so we'll use the rest of that. Black eyed peas, the corn, the fire roasted diced tomatoes, and avocado. All right, we'll start mixing this together. Let me grab a bowl. Another airplane, y'all. There's been airplanes flying so low here lately. First, we're gonna drain everything, the black eyed peas, the tomatoes, and the corn. So I'm making some grilled chicken strips and regular chicken strips. I'm gonna be cooking those in the air fryer. So as soon as we get this dip made and put it in the refrigerator, we'll start those. And I'm gonna slice a watermelon. I thought about doing some potato wedges. Let me see. We'll do some sweet potato wedges. I'm just gonna pour all this in here at one time because it's about to be all mixed together anyway. And there are different recipes for each one. Like, I saw several different versions of the Texas caviar, different versions of the cowboy caviar. It's really good. We first had it at one of the restaurants that we like to go to in Helen, Cowboys and Angels. I'm pretty sure that's the first place we had it. Maybe not. We may have actually made it before. I can't remember. Anyway, it's really good. Corn. Okay, so we'll just rinse these. Okay. We'll just put some olive oil and salt and pepper on these.
Oh, can I do it?
Yeah. A little bit more. I'll turn it. You just turn that and I'll turn this.
Roast, air fry, bake.
Air fry. And let's keep it at 400 and do the time for 10 minutes and I'll see what they look like. You'll probably have to go down. It starts, yeah. Yeah, and then just press start. Back to the Texas caviar. I've still just been letting the black eyed peas and all drain over there. We'll go ahead and chop up this red bell pepper. Oh, y'all, I got a couple of new candles from Walmart. I stepped out there to talk to Tyler for a second. When I came back in, I smelled it. It's the Goose Creek Watermelon Lemonade. It smells really good. All right, we're gonna chop the cilantro. Now, I know a lot of people don't like cilantro, so you can leave it out if you want to, but it's not gonna be the same. Like, this is what really gives it the cowboy / Texas caviar flavor. One of the things. Jonah loves it. He's over there eating right now, just eating it by itself. Now the avocado.
Wait, Mom, can you make a pizza on this?
Yeah, you could. This avocado is not wanting to work too good with my avocado slicer, so I might just switch to using a knife here. If it doesn't want, okay, it's gonna do okay with this side, I think. Yeah. Let me check the sweet potatoes real quick. I'm gonna let them go just about 3 more minutes, and I think they're done. Okay, we're pouring in the black-eyed peas, corn, and tomatoes with green chilies. We'll put in the red pepper, avocado, and cilantro.
And then what you do is you mix it all around with a little spatula. Make sure you don't squish all the stuff.
Okay, Sissy already stirred that for me a little bit. We're gonna put some salt and pepper.
Sweet potato. 25 more minutes.
No. I think they're done. I'm gonna squeeze a little lime juice in here. A little bit of avocado oil. You can use avocado or olive oil. Okay, now the fun part, we will taste test it and see if it needs any more salt or pepper. One for Jonah. You got it?
Yep.
A little more pepper, Sissy. And do y'all think it needs a little more lime juice, or was it good?
Yeah. Yeah, I need more lime.
More lime.
More lime.
If anybody's wondering, just let me tell you. Last night, what you don't see behind the scenes, I was laying underneath Tyler's truck about 10 o'clock last night or so.
At Little Caesars.
At Little Caesars, I was fixing his truck. So that's the reason you see
He just washed his hands.
behind the scenes. My hands are clean, but
He's got his mechanic hands on right now.
yeah, I had to turn into a mechanic last night. I had grease from my head down to my waist. That joker's good.
Does it need more lime, or did it have enough lime?
And that is absolutely perfect.
Testing the citronella candle. It's been a few years, I think, since I purchased one of these. I might have gotten one last year, but I don't think I have. I think it's been at least 2, maybe 3 years.
Does it keep mosquitoes away
It's
from
supposed to, but I've never had. These citronella candles work ever. I remember one summer I had 2 of them burning, and I was like right in between both of those candles, and mosquitoes were still landing on me. So far, it's been going now for maybe 15 or 20 minutes, and I've already had 2 mosquitoes land on me. Maybe that's because I just started it. We're gonna let it keep going for a little bit and see. We'll just see. Update, I was just bitten by another mosquito. I think twice. They're swarming around me right now. The candle is right there, like less than a foot away. It doesn't work. They don't work. Wow, they don't work. We better go in. Do y'all want me to close the curtain so it feels more movie night-ish?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a weekday summer movie night. An extremely goofy movie.